In this video, we'll be showing you how to change class lists at the end of the academic year on your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin, Classes, and then click on the name of the relevant class. Changing class lists all depends on how your children move up to the next year group. If they stay with the same group of children, then you can just change the academic year and class, teacher name, etc., and the children remain registered on the same class list. If, however, the children get swapped about, then the parents would need to re-register every year. There is functionality on platform that allows you to copy classes from one year to the next. You can then choose what year you want to copy your classes from and to, and whether your children get mixed up. If children remain in the same class but new year group, then the platform will change the academic year and you will need to change the rest. If the children get mixed up, then the platform will automatically create new classes for you. Click on the name of the class to make any further updates required. Click the Update Class button when you are done. And that's it, you can now successfully change class lists at the end of the academic year on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.